Hey guys, welcome back once again. And fortunately, one of my viewers has been very kind enough to trust me with his old possession, an old remote control Porsche 924, probably from the late 70s or 80s. And he decided to send it across so I can give it a little bit of TLC. He's had it for a while but wasn't sure what condition it was in. I decided to just test it out to see what I can do with it with the current electronics. As it turns out, the electronics weren't too good. So here I am dismantling it. You saw the packaging was in really good condition. The car is in actually good condition as well. The 40-year-old plastic is showing its age, so the parts that were brittle. So I had to take it slow when I was tightening screws, unscrewing screws, removing parts as well. Here I'm testing the steering mechanism and trying one last time to get the remote control and receiver to work. Once the car received power from the batteries, the motors started running by themselves without any input from the remote control. So I think the receiver is cooked. So from here, decided to replace the whole thing with a 2.4 gigahertz receiver transmitter package. And here I am further dismantling it in order to work out what I can preserve and what I need to get rid of. The gearbox of the main motor seemed to be okay. So I slowly dismantled it. It only had 3 gears. All the gears were fine. Just gave it a clean and a little bit of the grease just to get it going again. And tested it, and it does work, thankfully. The steering mechanism is a little bit different. I had to remove that and replace it with a small micro servo, thereby providing accurate pointing and steering. For the steering servo, I tried to reduce the complexity as much as possible by keeping the sway arms and keeping as much of the structure as possible preserved, and hopefully by the addition of a simple servo and a control rod, thereby giving it precise steering. And after some short testing, I decided to secure the servo onto the main body and the rest of the electronics, that is the ESC and the speed controller. I've also 3D printed a battery cover, and once that was ready, I replaced all the pieces and put the cover back on for a test. And this is the fully functional Porsche 924, which is both remote control and from the 80s. I hope you enjoy it.